Welcome to the review of my LEGO Jet Fighter. I built it out of various sets I've collected over the years. I'm going to show some of its features. As you can see, it's just in one colour. So it was a bit harder for me to make it because I had to find a lot of the pieces that were grey. For the missiles, I built three kinds. Built these large ones that just clip on the end of the wing, and I built small ones and medium ones and put them in here. It's the same on either wing. I had some guns as well and put them under the wings. For the cockpit, you can just lift this up and the guy here can put it in. I've also added some controls. On the end of the wings, I've got lights. A red one here and a green one here. I thought it looks better than just having red lights. For the nose cone, I had to use these pieces because I couldn't find a cone-shaped piece, or one in grey anyway. At the back, I built some stabilizers. And lastly, if you look closely in the engine, you can see a red piece that I put, just to make it look like the heat. Thanks for watching the review of my LEGO Fighter Jet.